My name is Kourtney Bernard-Rance. I am the managing attorney at the Manili firm. I have been with the firm for 6 years. The Manili firm felt that expanding its services to include immigration was very much in line with our core values, particularly leading with care. And part of leading with care is understanding that we are not just helping people with their legal issues. We are also helping them through a crisis. So the crisis doesn't end necessarily when the legal issue ends. It is very possible that once their legal action is done, they are faced with the next problem. Like, what does their life look like post whatever that legal action was? And so we at the firm want to make sure that, and we call it concierge-level service. Expanding our services to include immigration is very much in line with that, making sure that every piece of their life, every piece of their crisis is addressed. One case on point for this, we represented a mom. She was undocumented and she was facing a custody battle with her ex. And so one of the things that we had to resolve for the court was the uncertainty related to her undocumented status. And so we referred her to an immigration attorney that could work with her on her status, her ability to work here in Georgia, also just as simple as getting a driver's license. And so we referred her to an immigration attorney to help us work out those uncertainties so that we would be ready with Judge, we've worked this out. There's nothing for you to worry about. You don't need to pay particular attention to this aspect of the case because it's been resolved. Now, truly, you just have to focus on custody between these two parents who are well settled in Georgia. And I believe that process likely would have been more streamlined, perhaps easier for the client if it was done by one attorney versus, one attorney at one firm and then another attorney at another. And so, now that we have decided to expand our services to include immigration, we can, again, close that gap and keep everything in-house and just better serve our clients.